Bright lights, precision beams, and street legal? Nice. Let's see why these new Concept Pod Pros from Arc Lighting are lit. Improved visibility is crucial for any driver, and that's exactly what these pods are designed for. Whether you're facing challenging weather conditions or driving off-road, the Concept Pod Pros deliver high-performance lighting every time, ensuring you can see and be seen. Let's start by talking about what makes these Concept Pods as good as they are. The SafeSwap lens design lets you swap lenses on the pod without breaking the factory seal and causing leaks in the lights. Each kit comes with 4 sets of lenses, 2 sets of SAE compliant on-road and 2 sets of off-road hybrid lenses in amber and clear. So no matter what kind or where you need the light, the Concept Pod Pros have got you covered. Arc's Concept Pod Pros are SAE certified for use on any roadway in the US, making them reliable and safe for enhancing your driving experience. One of the coolest features of the Concept Pods is their compact design. I mean, check out this sleek profile. This design allows you to install the pods anywhere on your vehicle, giving you the freedom to customize your lighting setup for the best visibility possible. Each Concept Pod delivers a powerful 2800 lumens, making sure the road or trail ahead is bright and in view. This takes your visibility and safety on the road to a whole new level. Our proprietary optics design makes sure the light is right where you need it to be. The Concept Pods are built to last. With an IP69 rating, these pods are dust and water resistant, making them perfect for any adventure. These new Concept Pod Pros are your ticket to cutting-edge performance and enhanced safety on-road or off. Upgrade your vehicle's lighting system today and experience the difference Concept Pod Pros can make. So if you want to learn more about the Concept Pod Pros from Arc Lighting, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.